Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of muscle building and strength training. As you know, diet plays a crucial role in fueling your workouts and maximizing those gains. So, I'm going to share with you the 12 best foods to incorporate into your muscle building diet. Before we jump in, let's address a common misconception. Building muscle isn't just about packing in protein everywhere. It's about creating a well-rounded diet that provides your body with all the nutrients it needs to recover, repair, and grow. All right, let's get started with our muscle-building meal plan. Number 1, lean protein sources. Protein is the building block of muscle, so it deserves the top spot. Lean protein sources like chicken breast, turkey breast, fish, especially salmon and tuna, and lean cuts of beef provide a complete protein profile with all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle growth. Number 2, eggs. Eggs are another complete protein powerhouse. They're also loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritional all-rounder. Enjoy them scrambled, fried, boiled, or however you like. Number 3, Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are fantastic sources of protein with the added benefit of calcium for strong bones. Choose plain, low-fat options and add your favorite fruits, nuts, or seeds for a delicious and nutritious snack. Number 4, lentils, peas, beans, and other legumes. Looking for a plant-based protein option? Look no further than legumes. Lentils, peas, beans, and chickpeas are all excellent sources of protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, and various micronutrients. They're a budget-friendly and versatile addition to your diet. Number 5, leafy greens. Muscle building isn't just about protein. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and recovery. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, keeping you feeling full for longer. Number 6, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a complex carbohydrate that provides sustained energy throughout your workout. They're also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a well-rounded addition to your plate. Number 7, berries. Berries are a delicious source of antioxidants that can help reduce muscle inflammation and support recovery after exercise. Plus, they're naturally sweet and satisfying. Number 8, avocados. Avocados are a unique fruit that's loaded with healthy fats. These fats help your body absorb essential vitamins and minerals, and they can also keep you feeling full and satisfied. Number 9, nuts and nut butters. Nuts and nut butters are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're a convenient and portable snack option that can help you curb cravings and fuel your workouts. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are also calorie-dense. Number 10, brown rice and quinoa. Brown rice and quinoa are complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy for your workouts. They're also a good source of fiber, which can help with digestion and keep you feeling full. Number 11, healthy fats from plant sources. Don't forget healthy fats. They play a crucial role in hormone regulation, cell function, and nutrient absorption. Include healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocado oil, nuts, and seeds in your diet. Number 12, water. Last but not least, water is essential for overall health and muscle function. Staying hydrated helps your body transport nutrients, regulate temperature, and flush out waste products. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. So there you have it, the 12 best foods to incorporate into your muscle-building diet. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to experiment with different flavors and combinations to find what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.